Yeah, this is Sunday, 27th or 28th of September, I forgot. Came across this fuel additive. It's branded by Stanadyne, and I'm still waiting on Doggett Construction to finish up my dozer where my injection pump, Stanadyne injection pump, cratered. When they get done, I'll go over the repair and what happened, why it happened, all that good stuff. So up here at the factory, treated all the fuel and all my tractors up here, just as at the farm. Treated all the fuel and all of them up there by the train. I was here today, went ahead and mowed the right of way and added the additive to my John Deere 2030 here at the factory with my MX6, and doing just a maintenance run on the Ford 335 Industrial, which is tagged Ford 3600. It's got the wrong decals on it. This is the one I did the engine rebuild on. Of course, it started right up. And, it purrs like a kitten. I'm sure y'all can hear it. It sounds real smooth. Low idle. Good lopes along, just fine. Did add these rubber boots to the shifter, try to keep the rain out. Go ahead and check out the stack. I'll run it up on the governor. No knocks, nothing. Rebuild turned out real nice. That Stanadyne branded treatment has lubricity and corrosion protection. That's the two main benefits of it. Of course, it's got cetane additives and all that, but the main thing is the lubricity it adds to compensate for low sulfur diesel. And down here, farm diesel is still low sulfur. It's just dyed red because it's non-taxable. But it's just the same old diesel you get at a fuel pump for your modern vehicles. It's low sulfur. There's no lubricity to it. This old equipment likes the high sulfur diesel, but you can't get no more. People add ATF, they'll add two-stroke motor oil. Well, just go get some proper additive, and we'll see how the Stanadyne does. It's highly recommended, and it is branded by Stanadyne, who makes the injection pumps. Well, anyway, that's my Sunday. I was going to spray today, kill the grass in the lot, but the wind's blowing pretty good. We're getting 20-mile-an-hour gusts, and it's just too windy to spray. Stuff go everywhere. So that's how I do my Sundays. About ready to call it a day, head toward the house, relax. Go back to work tomorrow on Monday. So that's all for this one. Thanks.